Street vendors are literally setting giant sticks of sugarcane on fire, and it is completely reinventing a classic summer drink. Meet roasted sugarcane, an ancient method where raw stalks are slow charred over open coals before getting crushed into juice. The intense heat caramelizes the natural sugars, turning the juice into a rich, smoky elixir used in traditional medicine to instantly soothe throats. The ultimate viral refreshment flex. Honestly, drinking hot charred grass juice just to cure your seasonal cough is a massive vibe.